Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem from the topic logarithms. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions, you need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic shadda. Under academic shadda you need to select math important questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay, coming back to the given problem, what is given here? See, log of p equal to x is given with base 2, log of q is equal to y, and log of r equal to z. Okay, and we have to write a, b, c, d. You can see these expressions. So we have to write these expressions in the terms of x, y, and z. Okay, so there are four sub parts. We will solve one by one. So first one you can see log of PR. So what is given here? Log of P equal to X, log of Q equal to Y, and log of R equal to Z. Okay. And we have to find the value of log of PR. We know that log of X into Y is equal to log X plus log Y. Obviously base will be same in all this like A. Okay. So log of PR, it can be written as log P plus log R. And we know that log P is given as X and log R is given as Z. So substituting these values, we will get log of PR equal to X plus Z. Okay. Coming to the next part, here we need to find the value of log RQ raised to the power 2. Okay. And again we will use the same formula, log of xy equal to log x plus log y. So considering r as x and q square as y, it can be written as log r plus log of q square. And now we know that log of x raised to the power n, it will be equal to n log x. So it can be written as log of r plus 2 into log of q. Okay, and substituting log of r by z and log of q by y, we will get log of r q raised to the power 2 equal to 2y plus z. Okay, coming to the next part, here we need to find the value of log of pr by q. So we know that log of x by y is equal to log of x minus log of y. So considering PR equal to x and q as y, we can write this as log of PR minus log of q. Again log of xy equal to log x plus log y. So considering p as x and r as y, we can write it as log p plus log r minus log of q. And substituting log p equal to x, log r equal to y, log r equal to z, and log q equal to y as given. So our given expression will become x minus y plus z. Okay, coming to the last part, here we need to find the value of log of p square into root under q. So as we know, log of xy equal to log x plus log y. So considering p square as x and root q as y, it can be written as log of p square plus log of under root q. Okay. Now we know that log of x to the power n equal to n log x. So writing first this q under root q as q raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, then using this formula we can write 2 into log p plus half, this power will come here only, plus half into log 2q. Okay, and substituting log p by x and log q by y as given in the problem, we will get log of p square under root q equal to 2x plus half y. Okay, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.